so here we are at NEEWER, NEEWER. They have some incredible new tech here for iPhones, for all those iPhone people. And so what am I standing in front of over here?
So these are our iPhone and Android cases. They work for iPhone 16 and 17 Pro and Pro Max, Samsung S24 and S25 Ultra. With the cases, it gives you a 17mm thread so that you can attach any of these lenses to it. They also include an adapter so you can use Moment brand lenses, and they also include a 67mm filter adapter so you can put a filter over all your lenses. So there's all different kinds up here, and also our probe lenses that attach to a phone as well.
All you skateboarders, you got an 8mm fisheye lens right there. Look at that. All right.
Yeah, 105 macro, blue streak anamorphic. You got a couple macro lenses right here, and that's a 12mm, I believe, 12 or 14mm.
Amazing. And what's special about this is those actual handles tilt and they rotate. How far do they go? 90 each way?
You can go the entire way around, and this one also has a Bluetooth shutter release in it.
Amazing. How do you say it? Is it NEEWER or NEEWER?
NEEWER. Yeah. This is the trigger that we were talking about. Let's see if it's powered on. There we go.
Oh, beautiful screen.
Yeah, it kind of looks like an Apple Watch.
Yeah.
You go to your menu, you have all your settings. Yeah, it's a really nice little touchscreen thing that, you get more information than you would out of a traditional trigger.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we make them for Sony, Canon, Nikon, and Fuji so far. And we're planning on releasing them for Panasonic soon.
Amazing. And so what are all these things? Are these kind of like
Those are Osmo filters for the Pocket 3.
Got it.
Yeah, so you gotta take your Osmo and you pop it right on there.
Just pop it right on top.
Yeah.
Add a little effect.
Yeah, like that's a kaleidoscope. This is a colorful star. And this is like a not colorful star, like a just white star.
Love it. So you have the off-camera flashes. Is this an off-camera flash as well?
That's on camera. Yeah, so it's like a kind of a retro style. Yeah, so you have your shoe right there.
There you go, for all the artsy folks in New York and LA.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah, and then these are some speed lights. Those are some of our new flashes. The Z3S, that one has 3 modeling lights. It's 100 watts. These ones also all will work on the Godox system if you put them in compatibility mode.
High-speed sync, is that one over 8,000 seconds?
Correct.
Incredible. Amazing. Love it. Oh, okay. It's working. All right, for Andrew Optics and Quadrantics, this might be the best flash for you. Check it out.
Yeah, so this is our 600 watt strobe. It's called the Q6. 600 watts, obviously. Has a quartz lamp. It does 300,000 flashes in a life cycle, so you can control
How many flashes in a life cycle?
300,000 full power flashes.
That's a lot.
It's battery operated. You get 400 full power flashes on one charge. We also make a dummy battery.
Is this the size of the battery right here?
Yes, correct. It's kind of like a V-mount size, like a
Amazing.
small V-mount.
It's light. It's maybe a pound or not even a pound.
Yeah, and this one also is compatible with Godox system as well. This one also has really good color accuracy. If you're in burst mode, it will vary by no more than 200 Kelvin, which is pretty much industry leading in that regard.
So is this waterproof or not really waterproof?
That one's not waterproof, but we do make a waterproof, basically a bag for it. We can put your hands in. It's like a case.
Very nice.
Yeah, but it's not waterproof on its own.
So I could take this out on a rainy day, but cover it with a case.
Yes.
Have it still work, and then maybe use one of these batteries as well.
Oh yeah, well this is actually the 1200 watt bicolor light. So this is the ballast and this is the light.
Okay.
So it's a video light. Right now it's on
concept.
1/10 of 1% brightness.
Yeah, that's pretty bright. It's amazing. It's beautiful.
Yeah, so that one should be out around February. It should be IPX6 rated. I don't know what the price will be on it yet, but the non-waterproof version is currently $2,600, but 25% off around, so it comes in around $2,000.
Okay, excellent.
So this will probably be, maybe a little more than that, obviously.
Yeah. So if someone decides to shoot photos outside, the solution is to cover the actual strobe light, which has the battery installed as well, and there's no other connections. Okay.
Right. Yeah, we do sell the waterproof cover that specifically fits it, and it has handholds where you can bring your hands in, and then a clear backing so that you can control it through the waterproof cover.
Amazing. Very nice. You guys have a little small teleprompter over here. Okay. Excuse me.
This is our X11 teleprompter. It has a screen built in. The screen acts as just another monitor on your computer. So you put your teleprompter app on the second screen, or you can bring up your chat, read your chat, and respond directly to your followers, just in looking them right in the eye.
Amazing. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Or you can, like we're demoing it, you can use it as a traditional teleprompter as well.
Very cool. And so what type of monitor is this?
It is 8-inch HD.
Okay, and that's a newer
Yes,
monitor?
the monitor is part of the package.
Okay, very nice.
And you can attach a phone to it, or there's a part here you can flip down, and then you install this little hood, and you can put the camera back here.
Very nice. Okay.
Yeah, so camera or phone.
So you can use a phone or a camera. Very nice.
Correct.
And how much does this cost?
That one is $229. It's currently 30% off.
That's an amazing deal.
$200.
All you content creators who want to have amazing words in front of your eyes while looking at the camera, this might be the thing for you.
Yeah.
Okay. And can we just circle around to see how it looks back here? So the phone or camera can go here. And then what would this monitor here be for?
So you wouldn't want this in a real life situation, because otherwise your eyes would be darting over to it.
Okay.
This is just to show you how you look on it on the teleprompter in real time as like part of the display.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, but it would defeat the purpose of the teleprompter to have this here, because you'd be
Just
like,
trying to make sure the lighting looks good.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Very cool. And you guys have any audio solutions?
We do. We are coming out with a microphone that will have AI noise reduction. So it'll automatically detect and adjust the noise reduction for the sound around you. And it'll also have AI levels, so you can pick how, if you wanted to control pops, control highs, control lows. And so it'll have that integrated in it. That's probably coming out around Q2.
Amazing, amazing. So with the microphone, is that a 3.5 millimeter jack or is it XLR?
It'll be a lav system, so you'll have a case, transmitter receivers. We're gonna have a 2 transmitter and a 4 transmitter set. They'll each have 3.5 millimeter jacks in them, so it'll be a versatile set for anything you need.
So this will be ideal for live streaming. You'll have.
Yeah, definitely.
Will it have onboard recording as well?
Yes.
32-bit float?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, incredible. Yeah. Very cool. And when is that going to be available?
I'm guessing probably around April. If we're lucky, we'll have it for NAB to show off there. I think that's the plan, is that we'll be debuting it more or less at NAB.
Amazing. I'm excited for that. I really want to see that. I want to try that one. That's going to be really cool.
One of the other really new products that we have here are our home lighting. We're debuting a whole line of home lighting. It all has, you can do AI prompts to create scenes. All the lights are fully customizable. So we have a whole variety of floor lamps, LED lit speaker stands. These are permanent lights that are IPX6 rated, so you can have them outside on your house. Mappable curtains, a variety of home light strips, etc. Light strips, lamps. So we're gonna have a whole line of home lighting.
I love it, brother. And as far as that light, it looked like a 5-foot strip.
Yeah.
Is that the tallest?
That's the tallest we have for now. I think we're planning to make 7 or 8 foot, but I don't know the details of that yet.
Amazing. What's the price point of that one?
It is around $80.
It's a great deal. It's amazing. Okay. And is that battery powered or plug-in?
That's plug-in only.
Okay. Well, thanks so much for all your help, buddy.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. Come to NEEWER.com for some amazing technology.
Thank you.